Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 always on display not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here search always on display and then force stop the always on display app. Click on OK to confirm and then scroll down and go to its storage and in storage clear the app data and cache memory of always on display. Click on delete to confirm and then restart your mobile.